Hey buddy, you hungry? Are the leaves greener on the other side of the fence? I guess they are. And Mokko, you find a little bit of herb helps you as a chef?
Herb?
Yeah.
What kind of herb?
Well, when you're cooking, you know.
Oh.
You find it helps you just get into the flow or what?
What you like me? Boy, come on there.
Looks good, man.
Alright, no chew no more. Not to do no. Just put this something there where you put it in there. No cooking.
No cooking. You don't like people participation. Everything is just right there. We brown up the chicken. And I cook down the chicken, you know. Make it get soft.
So nice and crispy first, then a bunch of water to cool it down, and then it's more of like a slow cook thing.
Yeah, cook down, man.
Yeah, take some time with it.
When I get that, then I just no time. I cook rice. So the chicken hard have to cook more than the rice.
So Mokko, how long do we leave the chicken cooking over there covered?
We cook good. Half an hour, we cook good, yeah. We have there to that. We do that work. After that, come on.
You left a pretty one.
That's the rice. Yeah. Me have some more, you know, man, to look one like the easy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, some little grand one.
How many grandkids do you have?
Eh?
How many?
3 of them, man.
3?
4.
4? Forgot how many.
That's when I let that just cook down, so I just take it out, so it's ready, you know?
I like that style. That's like a different style than we do where brown it up real nice first and then really cool it out. And what herbs did you put in there?
Yeah? Thyme and scallion. Thyme and scallion and do it then already. Just how it all same, you know? Yeah. From how it all, yeah? Hey, yo, move here with it. Move as a ratty. Nice color, eh?
Oh yeah, beautiful. So the key is to just take your time.
Yeah, just like this. So it's soon ready to come off, you know? Soon ready, you know?
Yes.
Turn on the heat, you know, wood fire, you know?
I like how you got the calabash bowl for the rice.
Yeah. People like it, you know? People want to know it what too. They want high tile and get high tile calabash bowl, you know? People must ball for this, you know? Anyway, people there, all over the Caribbean. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Now, how many of the Rasta guys do you think don't touch chicken at all?
Boy, I don't know. but majority of them touch chicken. This chicken, a carrot and chicken, you know. This, you know. The carrot there. They also eat it with their sight, you know. Good for sight. Carrot, juice, everything.
Yeah, it's true. They always say vitamin A for your sight, and there's a lot of it in carrots.
Yeah, but we put it in chicken. Say one vitamin. See the nice delicious chicken there. So you come and have some of it at Rasta Kitchen. We already know.
Now, do they say chicken's good for sight too, or what?
No. The carrot. So we put the carrot in.
What's
there.
chicken good for, other than tasting amazing?
It does a good taste. Meat. We all know that meat. People eat meat, like meat, pig.
Yes.
Yeah. Some people eat meat, some eat vegetable. So we do everything same place here. But one thing we don't eat no pork here. So don't come here if you eat your pork. We won't cook pork, we cook chicken, fish, every other thing. All thing we have scale, we cook it here. What not scale, we don't cook it here. So all scale food we eat here. Ready rain and salt fish and all them things there. And salt mackerel. Lone Ranger from the barrel, you know.
The Lone Ranger.
Yeah, man, from the back of barrel, you know.
Yeah.
So all those things carry scale off and so forth.
It's ready.
Ready, Rin?
You getting hungry there, Ratty?
Ready.
Ready, Rin, ready.
Wait. Ready.
Yeah, ready, Rin, and fish, you know.
Yeah.
You know it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.